Hi, my name is Ashley Frankwitz, and today I will be doing an Instagram takeover. I am originally from Chanhassen, Minnesota, but currently I'm in Rome, Italy in the CEA business program studying marketing and management and human resources. I'm about ready to head to class, but let me know if you have any questions, and I'm so excited to take you guys along on a stay with me. So our program ends in a week, so tonight our program CEA is hosting a farewell dinner for us at a pizza place, so we're about to try it out. I would say some general packing tips for someone studying abroad in Italy next year would be just some nicer tops and pants in general, good trousers, jeans, things like that. They don't do athleisure as much here as they do in the US, so just being prepared for that. And then I would also say a good pair of walking shoes has been super helpful because you'll be doing a lot of walking here. And then along with that, a reusable water bottle has been great because they have drinking fountains throughout the entire city of Rome outside, and you can fill up at them whenever, which is great. And then I would also say one of my favorite things that I brought abroad has definitely been my fanny pack because I can keep my wallet and my keys on me at all times when I'm out and about, and that's been super helpful.